Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram's login error. So let's say you're trying to log in into Instagram and you just can't. The first reason could be your password. Make sure the password and your email or phone number or username, whichever thing you're using, is correct. Because if you're entering incorrect login detail, then that's the main problem. So make sure to fix that. And the other thing could be if you forgot your password. If you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button over here to recover your account's password as well. But let's say you entered a correct login detail and you're still facing the problem. Now before I show you how you guys can fix it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step, let's move on. What you can do is go on your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram. If it says open on Instagram, it means your Instagram is up to date. But if it says update over here, need to click on update in order to update your Instagram, alright? Because sometimes you don't update your Instagram for a long period of time, which can cause bug. So update your Instagram, and even after updating your Instagram, if it's still not fixed, then check your internet. Because sometimes due to slow internet as well, you can log in into your Instagram. So if your internet is slow, switch to another internet or switch to a data connection. And the other thing could be like, you're facing some issue on Instagram. So in that case, what you can do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. After you delete and reinstall your Instagram, all of the setting of Instagram will be resetted and you should be able to log in into your account. And the other reason could be if you're trying to log in into your Instagram account multiple times within a single day. Let's say, for example, 10 times within a single day. You log in, log out, log in, log out. And what Instagram is going to think is somebody's trying to hack into your account. So it's going to disable logging into your account for 24 hours. In that case, you just need to wait for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you can apply for login into your account and it should work. All right. So these are the way on how you guys can fix your Instagram login error. And yeah, sometimes Instagram server goes offline for repairing their app. And to check that, you can go on your browser and just, search for is Instagram down. After you search for is Instagram down, you can click on Instagram down detector over here. And as you guys can see, the current graph is at the lowest, which means it's not down. As you guys can see, like back in the day, Instagram had peaked, which means like it was down at that time, all right? So right now, Instagram is not down. You can come over here to check it to see is Instagram down or not, right? If it is down, then you need to wait for some time until like Instagram fixes their problem. You just need to wait patiently at that time, all right? And once Instagram is online again, try to log in into your account. It should work. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your Instagram login error. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.